creators, dealing with a sudden channel suspension? Let's unpack this terrifying hidden chain reaction.
So, you're probably wondering, why did your totally safe backup channel just get banned too?
Well, when that dreaded alert pops up, the system didn't just nuke one video, it flagged everything.
Shared IPs, recovery emails, and AdSense accounts, yeah, they permanently link all your profiles behind the scenes.
It literally tracks device IDs. Logging into a banned account taints your phone, instantly flagging future logins. One primary flag sparks a massive automated network scan, collapsing every connected account like dominoes.
It's brutal. One tiny misstep on a side project can literally wipe out your main channel's livelihood.
Since your actual hardware is flagged, sending a standard appeal from that tainted device, instantly rejected.
Stop begging the algorithm. You gotta outsmart it by building a completely new, untainted creator blueprint.
Bottom line, fix the system, not just the channel. How will you rebuild your digital identity today?